S.A. Lakshminarayan. Now I am going to tell about symptoms and life cycle of Macrophomina phaseolina. Macrophomina phaseolina is a fungus under phylum of Ascomycota in the family of Botryosphaeraceae. It has two life cycles, that is pycnidial stage and sclerotial stage, two life cycle stages. In pycnidial stage, it is found to be Macrophomina phaseolina. In sclerotial stage, it is found to be Rhizoctonia bataticola, and it causes dry root rot disease of pulses. Okay, dry root rot disease of pulses. So let's see about the symptoms. Now coming on to the symptom, it will appear as sudden and complete wilting of plants in patches. Affected plants will show rotting of entire roots except taproot and few laterals, and stem near the soil will show large number of black pycnidial bodies. Stem portions will be easily pulled out, so leaving rotten roots in soil, and affected roots bark will shred, and shredding will extend above the ground level. There will be large number of dark brown pycnidial bodies in the inner walls of shredded root bark. And when we see about the life cycle of Macrophomina phaseolina, it will be divided into two, as pycnidial and sclerotial stages. In pycnidial stage, as Macrophomina phaseolina, in that stage, pycnidiospore will be germinated, and that will infect healthy plant and will cause symptoms. And pycnidium will be formed. From that pycnidium, pycnidiospores will be released. And in sclerotial stage, sclerotial formation will occur at unfavorable conditions. It will be on the inner side of the shredded bark. It will survive in soil, and it will initiate the disease. The disease is dry root rot of pulses. That disease will be caused by this sclerotic stage of Macrophomina phaseolina, and this organism in sclerotic stage is called as Rhizoctonia bataticola. Okay, and when this cast so, stem will be taken out, easily pulled out, so that roots will be rotten inside the soil. So it will have heavy effect when it is left out. If you do not see this, then it will have a heavy effect. And so when it forms pycnidiospores, when it forms a pycnidium or pycnidiospores, it will disintegrate the tissues with using cellulolytic, pentinolytic and other enzymes. So it will make rotting in tissues. Tissues will be rotten due to some enzymes, and it will leave saprophytically. After killing these tissues, it will leave saprophytically. So when it leaves saprophytically, it will create a grayish white color, and it will have inter and intracellular septate thick mycelium. During asexual reproduction, it will have dark brown globules. And when in a pycnidial stage, it will be inner wall will be lined with pycnidiophore and pycnidiospore. Both are hyaline, and pycnidia will be either as a secondary inoculum or as a primary or a secondary inoculum. At the end of growing season, will come the sclerotic stage, and fungus will produce spherical black smooth sclerotia. At it will exhibit bark shredding. It will survive and initiate with the new infection. So this is the life cycle of Macrophomina phaseolina and the symptoms caused by this fungus. Thank you.